To learn something properly, it needs to be embedded in your long-term memory. In order to remember something, you have to think about it. Over time, you forget the things that you've thought about. The forgetting curve shows this, and also shows how you can revisit a topic to remind yourself of it. Each time you go back to a topic, you forget a little bit less, and you can leave longer before you will need to revisit it again. You can plan your revision to make the most of it. There are 4 good reasons to do this. Number 1, it can help you learn more. Number 2, it will ultimately take less time. Number 3, you will remember things for longer. And number 4, doing it like this is a lot less stressful. You need to plan spaced practice. You can't do it at the last minute. Little and often is best. Map out all the topics that you need to revise. You should by now have a good idea of which ones are your strongest and weakest. You will need to revisit your weakest topics frequently at first, every few days to begin with, and then gradually stretching out the time between. Your strongest topics can be revisited with relatively long intervals between them straight away. Mix up the topics and subjects, and also the approaches that you use to revise them. You now have a whole range of strategies to use, so pick your favourites and mix up topics with the way that you approach them. For example, if you are revising cell structure for biology, do some blank page retrieval practice this week, create a mnemonic for a tricky part of the topic the week after, and do a practice question the week after that.